Hello everyone. We'll be joining in a bit. Sorry, we'll be starting in a bit, but before that, Saurabh, it will be really be helpful if you can please send the reminder in website's channel.
Yeah, okay.
Meanwhile, I'll share this meeting minutes in chat. All of you can write your name in the attendees. Hello everyone. Welcome to Layer 5's website's meeting, and this is first meeting in the year. And yeah, since this is January 1st, a very happy new year to all of you. And so today is the first website's meeting. We have a couple of items on Layer5.io, Measure.io. So surely we'll be covering those. And I think we are good to start. But before we start with the agenda items, let's first follow the Layer 5 tradition, and that is if you are joining this call for the first time, so you get to introduce yourself. You can talk about your interest, which part of the community or project you is of most interest to you. So let me look for some of the names. I see Aniket in the name, in the participant list. Aniket, is it like the first time that you're joining websites meeting?
Yes, I'm joining the first time. Hello everyone. I am Aniket Ingre. I am from VIIT College, currently undergrad in the final year. And my text is like I am fascinated about the AI, but when the AI is get introduced in our project, we will contribute. I will try to contribute in that. But still now I'm contributing with my front end skills, like React JS. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for introducing Aniket. And yeah, this is a perfect place for to get some of the front-end issues in React and other frameworks that are used extensively across the project. So you'll definitely get some of the issues to work on. Thanks again for joining.
Yeah, sure.
And yeah, so I guess now all of the people they are old timers, no first timer, no more first timer. So yeah, like if you have webcams and if you have shirt on and you don't have any bandwidth issues like me, you always can open your webcams. So it's always nice to talk with people faces than just the audio. So thanks for reminding that, Saurabh. And I think we should be starting with the topics for today now. So we'll be starting with this website that is layer5.io, and then we'll move on to measure.io. And so like if any one of you have any kind of item on websites, you can write them right here in the meeting minutes. I'll once again share this quickly in chat. So you can mention your items. Also, you can mark your attendance. And with that, let's start with the topics. So Ritik, would you like to start us off?
Ritik, you are not audible.
Yeah, okay. I'll just
Yeah.
rejoin. Yeah. Yes.
No, no, now you're audible.
Okay. My screen was flickering, so I guess it's Zoom.
Okay.
So I'll rejoin again.
Okay.
So thanks, Ritik. So let me see if we have any more newcomers today. So I see three of the Spurs in the meeting. So like Spurs is it the same as I mean same as Spurs who is joining from other devices, or like you two are different?
I think something's wrong with Zoom because in participants there is only one. Okay, there are two aspers from me.
Okay, so like if any one of you have not introduced yet to the website's call, so now is the time you can. In case you both are not the same person. So. Also, Saurabh, if you can tag Archit Sharma, because he has the next item, and so if he'll be joining, so that will really be helpful. Okay, so it's taking some time for Ritik to rejoin. So I'll just go to the next item. The person is available, Victoria. So hey, Victoria, would you like to share this? Okay, so Ritik is back. So Ritik, are you all set, or we should go with Victoria? I guess Victoria, you will have to start us off. Okay, so Victoria seems to be off the meeting, or she has disconnected. All right, so then
I think
until
Ritik's back. I think Ritik's back.
yeah, but
Okay.
no, he's not. So okay, so until they come back, let me share my item, and this is adding CTA to all the integrations. Okay, so let me give you this tour of the Leherta website. So Mystery has a couple of integrations, and I definitely cannot say couple of because there are 220 plus. So if you go to this page, that is cloud native management slash mystery slash integration, so you will find a bunch of them listed out here. And so there is a category of them, and that is observability. So there was a ask of adding adding those integrations which fall under observability category. So on those individual pages, there was a ask to add an call to action to another page, so they can learn more about those stuff. So currently there is none, but this PR does exactly that. Let me share this link in chat in case you would want to have a look. So I'll open the preview. And hopefully my screen is visible clearly.
Yes, it is visible.
Thanks for confirming, Saurabh. So let me navigate to integration, and one such integration that falls under the category of observability is Jaeger. So let's move to there. And so if you scroll down, you will see this call to action that this PR adds. And so if you click on no more, so it takes you to Cloud Native Performance Management page. So there was some of the feedback on where this should be placed, and what can be changed in this. If you have got any feedback for me here, you can give them all right now, unmuting yourself or through chat. Also, if I quickly show you the mobile view. So I guess, okay, yeah, it is working right now. So this is how it looks in mobile view. And yep, we do have our desktop view right here. So any kind of feedback on whether it should be placed below this book or above, or we should not have a background, any kind of feedback if you have. Okay, not unable to. Okay, I'll try unmuting you, Ritik. Is this the case with others too? Like they are not able to unmute themselves? I guess Zoom is showing up today. Saurabh, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I can, but I wonder like if anyone from the participants can. I think hosts
Oh, yeah.
can.
No,
Yeah.
I also can unmute myself.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I think you might
So-
wanna. There may be some problems with your headphones and mic synchronization issues. Try switching your mic, Ritik. It may work.
So let's wait for 10 more seconds for any kind of feedback on this particular item, and then we can move ahead. All right, so thank you, everybody. Okay, thank you, Ritik. Ritik is back now. He's responding to the chat. So, okay, so I've also shared the PR link in chat in case you would want to go and take a look at the code. So, Victoria, you are up next.
Okay,
Okay, yeah.
let me share my screen. Okay. So the issue I worked on is removing on some of our websites, like the community, like this one.
Hello, Victoria. I wonder if others are able to view your screen because it's blank for me.
Yes, it is visible from my side.
Okay, okay, okay. Go on, Victoria. Sorry.
Victoria, are you on call? Yeah. I think bandwidth is not doing any good to us today. Like I can't hear Victoria, and I think she has some bandwidth issues. I'm wondering, is it for me or like you guys can't also hear Victoria?
No, we also cannot. So
Okay.
in that case, let's see if okay. So Ritik, yeah. So definitely, all of us are experiencing the bandwidth issues at the same time. But I see Archit is back. So Archit, would you mind presenting your this item?
Yes, Vivek, sure.
Thank you.
So like we are creating a new page for Orca registration management. So let me show you that. It's not linked from here, and I've kind of forget its URL, I guess. So just give me a second. Okay, so I'll be just showing this image to you. This is like the full image of the page. So this is how the Orca registration management page currently looks like. I'm sorry, I forgot the URL of that. So this is how it is. Any suggestions on this page?
Like you don't have the preview URL handy because I think Saurabh has shared in chat. I guess if you can open that, if you'll be open, yeah, I can
No,
take a look at
I
the
have
note.
like the deploy preview. I just forgot the the
Okay,
page.
yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's
Well,
the
so
problem.
we have a couple of UI UX are at the call. Victoria is back, and so is Ritik and others. So if any feedback you have for Archit here, so
By the way, there's an animation in this hero image, which you are not able to see because it's just an image of page. So I guess no suggestions, right?
Can you
Okay, thank you.
yes, it looks so. Yeah, go ahead, Prabhji.
Can you show the mobile screen?
So Archit, maybe we can circle back to you if you come up with the
Yeah,
URL.
if you can give me
Yeah.
like 5 minutes, I'll just
Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you, Archit. And so Prabhji, we will continue from there. So thank you, Archit. And next up we have item from Aniket. And do we have Aniket in the call? Yep, we do. So Aniket, would you mind sharing this?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so the main issue was this one. Like we have a complete new design of the layer 5 docs that was on the Figma. Yeah, see. So this one was the complete new design from like someone prepared on the Figma, and there was an issue that was assigned to me. We have to develop the landing page of the docs website, and the current one is like a very old one. Yeah, this is the old one. So what I have done is I talked with the Lee, and he told me to like break down into multiple components, and then then make a child issues of it, and then raise the PRs for individual. So then I created a child issue for the navigation bar. That was this one, and yeah, this one. Yeah, and the final one is this one. Yeah, this one is the last committed one. So I created the drop down. These all links are working. And there was an issue at the last moment that Archit noticed that the search bar wasn't working. Yeah, that was the issue due to the CDN scripts that jQuery that required for the drop down in the in the Bootstrap drop down. So what I did is I just replaced with the custom script, this one, so it won't be a problem. And due to that custom jQuery, the search bar wasn't working properly. So when I just removed that jQuery, now it is working properly. Okay, so this was the update from my side.
Aniket, we have mesh map and cloud documentation link in the top of the navigation bar. Those shouldn't be actually removed from it. Those should remain in the top. So
I
they
think
can
those
go
are
in
here,
by
right?
the side of
Uh,
solution. They should also be in the header of the layer 5 docs, because
okay,
when
like I
you go to the documentation, it's easy to switch to the other documentation through that.
Yeah, so I was also thinking like, why don't we just add another drop down that will able to browse through all the documentations? Like it wasn't in the updated UI, so I didn't update it there.
Yeah, because this is quite old, so like for right now you just add like the two links, cloud and mesh map, and we'll think about the drop down. We'll talk about it.
Okay, so I will revert these two links back.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Also, Aniket, like, is it mobile friendly? Because the existing one is really struggling when it comes to, navigating in mobile view. So if you can showcase the mobile version of this.
No, see, the problem was the actual website is not even mobile friendly yet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah. Yep.
so I avoid making multiple changes at a single PR. So I just, and it was my second PR. So I thought like, why shouldn't change? I multiple files at a time, and it might happen that there will be merge conflicts if someone else is doing with the same files. Like even with the CSS, I changed the global variables of the CSS. So I avoided making more than required changes. So it wasn't done yet. The responsibility.
Okay. 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 I guess we do have an item on that, so we'll track there. But any feedback for Aniket here? So Aniket, if you keep sharing. Okay. So if you have any feedback for Aniket, this is
Hi,
the time you can.
hi.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
So like the docs in so the docs he's mentioning that the entire website is not mobile friendly.
Yes, yes, Prabhaji.
Okay, so like so would you make this mobile friendly this only page or like you
Yep,
want?
yep. So, Saurabh, if you can please get the issue, in the Layer 5 docs, the repository, there's an open issue for this, and you can share the link in chat so interested people can go
Okay,
and
okay,
take a look at
okay,
that.
okay.
Like the question is like if you are making this website like only desktop, then it would be difficult to convert it to the mobile after you have made the desktop. So like the approach should be like you should make the mobile first, then it should like expand to the desktop version, like in the code only. Like I have done this also, like making a website first desktop, then converting it to mobile is like very difficult, a tedious task. So that's just a suggestion. Like
No, this is really helpful, Prabjeev, and thanks a lot for that. So definitely we'll point you to that issue, and so maybe we all can collaborate on this one.
yeah, sure thing.
Thank you. So any other feedback for Aniket?
Yeah, I hope now my voice is you can
Okay, hope
all heard it.
Yes.
Now my
glad that
voice is
you're
audible.
back,
Yeah.
Ritik.
Okay. Okay. I guess Aniket, the solution. If you click on the solutions. Yeah. Okay. So these are the products that we have. So like if you can change the text from solution to the product. Uh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a, I don't know, man. It's a very problematic. Like I have done the product, then I discussed with the Archit, and he said like should be changed to solution. So I changed to solution now. So
Actually,
it's
these
quite,
are the product. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
And also, secondly, if you click on the Meshy, so like, yeah, it takes you to the meshy.layer5.io. But if you click on any other product,
So for I have linked all the products page. If I didn't find anyone, so I just routed to the layer 5 page.
Yeah, right. Like so for Meshi, like if you click on the Meshi site, if you click on the products, like inside the mesh map page that you just opened.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, if you click on the product, like do you see the Meshri? So if you click on that, like, so you can redirect user to this page from the Meshri from
Okay,
the
so
drop
I
down
will
menu.
link all these links to there.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
because that's the right now Meshri.layer5.io is a cloud link.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, thank you, Aniket.
So thank you, Aniket, for sharing. And so, Archit, like, can you reshare your screen and with the URL of your page?
Yes, sure. Quick. So this is the page, and for the orchestration management, and this is how it looks on most of the mobile. So, do we have any suggestions? Yeah, I was thinking like if you scroll down a little, yeah, should we keep the animation on the hero image in the mobile view, or should we remove, because okay, it is not quite visible that animation comes up. So for the mobile view, like maybe we can just remove the animation. Yeah, you are right. We should remove the animation for the mobile part. I'll remove that. So okay, and if you scroll down a bit. Okay, this is also in work in progress, right? Yeah, we need to change the images, right? Images, right? Right. Yeah, okay. But anyone else has any feedback? So it looks good till now.
So can you show the tablet view? Just do, yeah, air would be fine. Yeah, it's good.
So, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it looks nice too. So I like that the CTA button remains above the fold on all devices, whether your desktop or mobile device. That's good. Well done. That's it.
Thanks, Victoria.
So thank you, Archit, for sharing. I'll share my screen again. And next item is from Aspers. Do we have Aspers in call? Can you take a look? So yeah, Aspers is with us. So Aspers, would you mind? Yeah. So,
had the issue. Ali asked me to change the color from green to caravan green, and I just did it. So that one nothing, not much to do, and I have changed it to files. I have changed the color green to avian green. Just that much. So I don't think there is much to discuss about it.
Yeah. Thank you, Sparsh, for sharing your update.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
thank you for contributing. And so let me share my screen again.
Yeah, wait, like wait. Ashpash,
Okay,
you will
okay.
see share, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, like firstly, like when you are using the colors, like we have a theme defined, so first just
Yeah, I
use the
used
theme
from that. Yeah.
no, use the props dot theme dot Keppel green or the Caribbean color if you're using. So
I
use the
have
colors
used the
like that.
Caribbean green.
You have used the hex code, so like instead of using the hex code, use the theme referencing. And secondly, if you go to the layer 5 site, layer 5, if you open the layer5.io, yeah, if you scroll a bit down, yeah, like if you see on the homepage and on the other pages, like we are using the white color for the heading and the different color for the description. Like if you change the Keppel green or the Caribbean green that you are using on the section, that section to these colors so to maintain the consistency.
You are asking me to change this as well?
And not this one, the Caribbean, the color that you change on you, yeah, on here, like you have changed to the Caribbean green, so change the color here with the same color that we are using on that section on the layer5.io homepage.
The white one?
Yeah, replace this Caribbean green with that color.
This color?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I will do.
Thank you, Ritik and Ashpash. So I will share my screen again. And so the last item in layer5.io topic is is a call for volunteers. So Saurabh, would you like to take it up?
Yeah, sure. I will just share my screen. Okay. So in the past, we have had some great volunteer work done into the screenshot issues. So basically, we have had some more screenshot issues to work on. So what needs to get done is, you need to add integration, a screenshot of the screenshot of the integration, and integrate into the website under that integration. So in the layer 5, we have like more than 230 or 260 plus integrations, and we need to use them into the meshmap canvas and take a screenshot of that. Two screenshots needs to be taken, one in visualizer and one in designer, and two more screenshots need to be taken, one for dark mode and one for light mode. So basically this is a desired behavior. For that you will be needing to like access to meshmap. So make sure you sign up for the meshmap, and then you need to integrate into the website. Is there any questions? If there are no questions, is there anyone on this call who wants to volunteer for it? If not, please make sure you comment on the issues. I will just share the link, then I can assign you to these issues if you are interested to work on them. Thank you.
Yeah, Saurabh, if you can share the example of how they should look like.
Oh, okay. So let's go for a closed PR. Where is it? Hmm.
You can go to any of the like if you navigate to layfair.io/integration, so there we'll be able to find some of the updated ones. Yeah, if you navigate to layfair.io/cloud native management, or simply the integrations that you'll see.
I
Yeah.
think we will be able to find the integrations down somewhere down there. Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes, if
since
you-
we have like integrations like this, so we need to add the screenshot into the integration section of integration like this one. It doesn't have updated screenshots, so there must be four screenshots, two in dark mode, two in light mode, one for designer and one for visualizer. So it makes like four. I have also made a post on Discuss forum for this, so you can check that out also. Let me just check if we have one for example, yeah, like this one. So here we have screenshots, like four screenshots, one in dark mode and one in light mode, one with visualizer and one with designer. So this is how we need to integrate them.
And this is a good learning opportunity if you want to deep dive, into the how Mesri works, and it's a good first issue too. So if you want to get started, you can pick it up. So thank you, Saurabh, for sharing.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
And so I see a item being mentioned by Praveen. So Praveen, would you like to
Yeah.
talk about it? You can share your screen.
Okay. So, just a second. So, we discussed this issue like Saurabh mentioned there was let me open the here. Okay, so this one, like this overflow issue basically. So like I could not replicate in my laptop screen.
So you were not having this on your laptop, is it what are you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is not happening every time. Sometimes it is happening when you are trying ResponsiveNet or reloading the website for the first time. It gets fixed by itself for the second or third time if you are checking it for responsiveness, but it happens initially actually.
Okay, let me should I open a website in
Yeah, please do this.
Okay, so let's say I go to the incognito and open this.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm at 100% right now. Reload.
Would you please right click and check the responsiveness of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we can start here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so
Please keep going like a little.
So according to screenshot, it was happening in this screen only, above this, before we have this hamburger.
Mm-hmm.
So I could not replicate it. You have all these say navigation items here, but in this screen only, I could not replicate in my I have a Windows laptop also, I couldn't replicate it there as well.
Okay. Just let me check for my also. Okay, like we can leave it for now. I will update you into the like GitHub only, like why it's happening, and we'll check it also.
Okay, sure. Like I'll also do some, I don't know, like I'll dig around to see if it occurs again.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so like this. Uh,
So thank you, Prabjeev and Saurabh.
Hello.
Oh yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, it is happening in my side, and I think the issue is with about the scroll bar. That let me show you.
can you share the screen?
Yeah. Just a minute.
Yeah, now it's happening for me too. At the like,
Yeah, see
Okay.
the notice, right? The issue was with the scroll bar. The scroll bar is very thin, so it was getting outside.
And like
Now it's not visible.
what screen size was it earlier you were using?
Now it removed from my side as well.
I will show my screen. I will show my screen. I will show my screen. It is on my right. Let me just do that. So is it visible right now?
Yeah.
So like you can see like this is happening here. This is the width. You can check this out. Sometimes it is happening. Sometimes it's not. Maybe it's just with the Chrome browser related issue.
So,
But it
I think
shouldn't be.
so. Like what I'm assuming is like some part of the UI is rendering very wide initially. So at so that's why we have this like horizontal scroll
Yes,
thing.
could be.
So I'll dig around and see what I can do.
Okay. So like just for the clearance, you have got this issue. Like this is how it is happening, you know?
Yeah, I got it.
You can check out this width too. I will just put this into this chat so you may check this out and this
Yeah,
width also.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you just mention it on the like the bug only, and the bug and the GitHub bug.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys. And yeah, in case like if you want to have you want to take a look again, so you can watch this live streaming too. It's being recorded on and will be available on our YouTube channel. So
Yeah.
thanks. And so I'll just quickly ask Victoria if she's ready to share her update. Okay, yeah, Victoria is with us. So Victoria, would you like to share your item? Victoria, you're not audible. Yes.
Is it okay now?
Oh, yes, I think.
So, and you can see my screen too. You can see my screen too.
Yeah, we can see your screen. Victor.
Right. So, on the community page, the layer 5.io community page, we have some pictures of Flea. And it's not just on the community page, we also have on the careers page too. We have here, we have some here and here. So my task was to change this to, I should replace this with 5 images. Now this is what it looks like. Okay, when I use the 5 image directly, I think it's SVG in nature. So this is what it looks like. Here. So it's not very visible. That was right. And then I had to add a white background to it. Okay. Then after adding the background, this is what it looks like now. Just hold on, it's loading. Okay, there's this. Then I change this. Okay, and this one as well. But now I'm thinking because of the white background here, this trendy community does not stand out. So I was thinking of making this darker. I don't know. What are your thoughts on it? So I like to get feedback on general feedback, but specifically what's the images that I used and what we can do to make them not blend into the background so much. And I noticed that this one too, this particular one is not very clear. Mythic has pointed that out. So I don't know. Suggestions, corrections.
Well, thank you, Victoria, first for this. Yeah, for the background, like the post that you see on our Twitter account for the layer 5, we use a multiple color background. So maybe we can use that thing over here, like so that it doesn't affect with the text on it. And second thing, are you using the web? Yeah, for this one, yeah. Like you might have seen on our Twitter page for the layer 5, the internship post and other posts that uses 5 in it. So okay, and if you scroll above, yeah, are you using WebP or something else? Like, because this one is, if you zoom in to this image, like the image gets pixelated a bit.
Yes, this is JPG.
JPG, yeah, okay. Like we can use the SVGs here, so because in this video we are not using text anywhere, so like the 5 is SVG, so vector graphics, so we can just use the SVGs over.
Okay. But I was thinking if we make it SVGs, will the background not disappear? It will still it will look like the way
if you want, like yeah, you can take the background from other posts that where you can find them inside our community folder. I can help you with that.
Okay. I think I know. All right. So that's all for now from my end. Thank you, Ritik.
Okay, so thank you, Victoria. And so yes, like since you know, Victoria was sharing about 5. So bi-weekly discussion champion celebration, we also use 5 there. So if you don't know about the discussion forum yet, so I'll share the link in chat. So this is another venue where you can ask any of your question, and if there is anything that you are not getting answer of in Slack channel, so know that there's a large influx of messages, on a daily basis, and also we lose our history in every 90 days. So for getting a timely response by maintainers and community managers and Smithmates, you can try asking questions on discussion forum. And if you are active here on discussion forum, so you also get recognized. So that was all I wanted to share about discussion forum. So thank you for the updates, Victoria. And now, since we have covered all the items here on Layer.io, we'll be moving to Messenger.io, and the first item is from Akshun, but I think Akshun had sent word that he will not be joining us. Is that right, Saurabh? I guess so. So next item is from Hemant.
Yes, this Akshan won't be joining us today.
Okay. But we don't have Hemant with us, and the next item is from Pravjeev only, and I guess Pravjeev is with us. Yes, so would you mind sharing your screen?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so this was the issue basically. Right, so what was happening, like this pop-up was coming under the navigation. So I had to fix it. Then while fixing this issue, I also encountered a small bug. which is like you can see here. This cross icon was like basically going toward the left, but it should be here. So I mentioned it and fixed it here, like I made it go here. Then I'll show the, okay, I'll open the PR. So I have one this thing failing, like if you have any idea why this is failing. This mesh map screenshot thing.
Okay, so like if it's failing for your PR, so I think it's I mean there's no fault from your side. So it there could be some reasons, but definitely I think it doesn't have to do anything with your PR, and we'll confirm it. So thank you for sharing this on the website's call, but I also encourage you to share this on Wednesday's mystery development meeting, and this is a perfect item for that meeting, that call, mystery development meeting,
Okay.
and you can get feedback there too. But so about this test failing, you can mention the maintainers and they'll definitely respond.
Okay,
And
sure.
most
I'll-
certainly, yeah,
Okay.
most certainly it doesn't have to do anything with your PR.
So also like one more thing, like while I was installing my project,
Mhm.
it made some changes in package log. So would that be a problem? It's not the package, it's the package log which is generated afterwards.
Yeah, but I mean you need to revert these changes. So
The pack
I
these
mean
okay.
yeah these ones.
Okay, sure. I'll do this. Then basically I just by increase the Z index here and I added justify content space between for pushing the cross icon towards right. Right. So also as you can like also I can show you the issue. Okay, so this I have fixed locally. This is my local server running here. And I'll show. So now it goes on top of the navigation.
Great work here, Prabhjeev, and definitely, you are most welcome to share this update on the Mission 11 meeting too. We'll be sharing that in a bit. The content. I mean, sorry, the schedule about the different meetings that we have in the community. So
Okay, sure.
thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for sharing your update.
All right.
But before we start with other items, I'll just quickly ask for any kind of feedback if any one of you have for Prabhjeev here. So let's wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so
I
seems
have
like
one question.
yeah, go ahead, please.
So like, do we have a build preview of this also, the Meshri.io?
No, we don't. And
Okay.
like this is not as straightforward as the website, so that's why you need to test it locally. So
Okay, sure. I was just confirming.
okay. All right. So looks like that was all about about the items that we had to discuss today. But I wonder if any one of you have any more items to share or anything related to UI UX or system design system or front end issues. I mean, the websites thing.
Hey,
Yeah, you can go
Yeah,
ahead.
please go ahead.
Okay, there are some issues on the docs, measure docs in the navbar. Like I would like to fix that. I will raise the PR. I will raise the issue and fix it. The issue is like there are some redirecting links are not working there with version 6, version 5 as well, and there are no dark mode in the version latest version. Yeah, you can go in the latest and
Yeah,
the drop down. Please open the drop down in the latest.
yeah.
Go to version 6 or version 5, any version. I guess. Mhm. So this is the neighbor that is not working fine, and the version 5 direction links version 5 we can't switch on it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So
And in the
this is
version
an
5 and
item.
version 4 there are no dark modes as well.
So I wonder if you can navigate to version 4 from here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So this is a item. This is a critical item. I mean, so like most likely you are to visit the latest one. But if you by any chance go to these versions, so then you will not be able to come back. Without the refreshing the page. So this is really an item. So what you can do, Aniket, is that you can open an issue and you can mention me or any of the maintainers here, and so definitely you will be assigned.
Okay, sure. And also the one issue, I guess you notice it, the version, if you go to the version 5 or version 4, there are no dark modes in it. Yeah.
Okay, so version 5 and version 4, yeah. So I think there was no dark or light mode at that time. So these are really buried in times. So we don't need to worry about the themes in version 5 and 4. But yeah, definitely. So these were introduced in latest one. So
Okay, sure. Then I will raise the issue about the version 6 only, the redirection links.
thank you, thank you. So I think we are good to wrap it up today here. But before that, let me just quickly share the community calendar. And so you can get all the updates about the various meetings that we have by subscribing to the community calendar that is right here at /community/calendar. I will share the link in chat quickly. So if you hit this big fat yellow button, it will sync all the meeting timings to your time zone. And so we have a couple of meeting, across the week. So on Monday, like today, we have websites meeting. On Wednesday is development meeting, and on Thursday there is bi-weekly CNCF tag network and mystery build and release meeting, and also a weekly newcomers meeting. So if you want to get started, and if you want to have an overview on the what are the things that you can do in Layer 5 community, so this is perfect meeting for you to join. And they are like community managers and messmates to answer all your questions. So you all can join, and yeah, definitely we will talk about the things that that will help you get started and be impactful. So I think that was all about today's meeting. Thank you everyone for joining, and we'll see you next Monday. And also Happy New Year. Bye.
Thank you, Vivek.